What are your plans for this weekend?
I'm thinking of going hiking. You?
Want to catch a movie on Saturday?
Sounds great. Which movie?
How about a beach day this weekend?
Yes, I love the beach.
Are you free to hang out this weekend?
Sure. What do you have in mind?
I'm planning a bike ride on Sunday. Join me?
That sounds fun. Count me in.
Do you want to go to the farmer's market?
Yes, I need to buy some fresh produce.
Let's have a barbecue this weekend.
Great idea. I'll bring the burgers.
How about a picnic in the park?
Lovely idea. I'll pack some sandwiches.
Fancy a coffee meetup this weekend?
Sure, I'd love to catch up.
Shall we do a gaming night on Saturday?
Yes, I'll bring my favorite games.
Interested in a yoga class on Sunday?
Definitely, I need some relaxation.
Let's explore the new art exhibition downtown.
Sounds intriguing. Let's do it.
How about we try that new Italian restaurant?
I've been wanting to try it too?
Do you want to join me for a run?
Yes, I need to start exercising.
Let's go to the bookstore this weekend.
I'd love that. I need a new novel.
We could go fishing on Saturday.
I haven't been fishing in ages. Let's go.
Want to work on our DIY project this weekend?
Yes, let's finish it up.
How about volunteering at the animal shelter?
That's a great idea. I'm in.
Shall we go for a drive in the countryside?
Sounds like a perfect way to relax.
I'm thinking of doing some gardening.
I can help. Let's make your garden beautiful.